What if a tomato could become a cloud? And how would I make it taste absolutely incredible? As tasty as they are, these vine tomatoes were starting to go, so I threw them in the blender on high speed, skin, seed and all, until I had a smooth, bright red liquid. Bringing it to a gentle simmer, I skimmed off the impurities bit by bit, removing everything that isn't pure tomato flavor. I then strained it for the first time, letting gravity do its thing, and then a second time through a cheesecloth for 24 hours in the fridge, and what was left is the cleanest, most delicate tomato essence I've ever tasted. This is where the cloud begins. I'll then bloom 2 gelatin sheets in icy water while I'm reheating the liquid. Make sure to squeeze out any excess water before whisking in your gelatin. My secret to the tomato cloud recipe is placing a bowl of ice underneath the KitchenAid, while the whisk attachment is incorporating air. As the liquid cools down, this is where it starts to take form and feels like magic. To honor the technique, we're going to make a simple yet delicious burrata salad with heirloom tomatoes. I'm going to be seasoning them with sherry vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, and some freshly chopped chives. Finishing the plate with some homemade basil herb oil. If it's a word, this tastes super tomatoey. It's like essence of tomato. I genuinely enjoy sharing these random techniques I've learned in the 12 years I've been working in the kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, and you want to see more recipes and crazy techniques like this, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode.